Let us ask today, tariff tantrums or strategic insecurity? India slams Trump's unfair sanctions over Russian oil. Namaskar, welcome to the Global Eye. You are with me, Mosmi. In what is being called a reckless display of protectionism and double standards, US President Donald Trump has slapped a 25% additional tariff on India's imports of Russian oil. The move, touted by Donald Trump as a national security measure, has provoked strong backlash from New Delhi and raised eyebrows across global energy and diplomatic circles. Let's break it down. It's of course unfair, unjustified, and unreasonable. But that's not just rhetoric. That's India's official stance. And it's resonating globally. The Indian Ministry of External Affairs, in a sharply worded statement, has condemned the move, calling it an attack not just on India, but on the principle of sovereign economic choice. India has reminded the world, and especially Washington, that our imports are based on market factors and driven by the energy security needs of 1.4 billion people. India isn't defying any norms. It's doing what the European Union, Turkey, even US allies like Japan are doing, continuing oil trade with Russia, balancing moral posturing with national interest. And let's not forget, the US itself is quietly importing enriched uranium from Russia even as it lectures others. Why Donald Trump's selective outrage? Why is this hypocrisy? While Trump thunders about Indian imports, here's what's quietly happening behind a curtain. But it's not quiet. EU gas purchases from Russia have rebounded in the past year despite the Ukraine war. The US imported $1.2 billion worth of Russian uranium in the last fiscal year, a 32% increase. American oil majors are still navigating global crude routes with financial instruments that indirectly benefit Russian suppliers. So the question is, why single out India? This is not about oil. This is about optics and perhaps insecurity. As India cements energy pacts with Russia, partners in the Middle East, and steps up global diplomacy, Washington's hegemony feels threatened. Trump's tariffs reflect a desperate attempt to rein in a rising India, one that is no longer willing to play second fiddle in global energy geopolitics. As India's fight back is strategic, not reactive, India hasn't blinked. In fact, it's hitting back with clarity and calm. Sources in the Petroleum Ministry suggest India may now reroute some oil trades to rupee-ruble or UAE dirham settlements, bypassing dollar-denominated pressure, leverage its strategic reserves to absorb short-term cost hikes, step up energy cooperation with Iran and Venezuela, both historical partners sidelined by US sanctions. And diplomatically, India is rallying the global south, especially BRICS nations and ASEAN energy importers, to call out what may see as a weaponization of tariffs for political intimidation. What about the global consequences? A boomerang in the making. Trump's move could backfire badly. Here's why. India is the world's third largest oil consumer. Choking its supply chains could destabilize global prices, especially in the global south. Tariffs on Indian imports may trigger retaliatory measures from pharma and IT to defense procurement. The US risks isolating itself, just as India prepares to host energy and trade summits that include Russia, Gulf nations, and African oil producers. In a world rebalancing itself post-Ukraine, such punitive moves only accelerate de-dollarization, strengthen alternate trade blocs, and weaken Washington's credibility. The big questions ahead are: can the US continue to act as global energy police while turning a blind eye to its own imports from Russia? Is this tariff a sign of genuine strategic concern, or is it just Trump's election playbook designed to look tough on foreign powers? Should sovereign nations like India be punished for securing energy needs for over 1 billion people? And most importantly, in the multipolar world, who really decides what's fair? This is not just about oil. It's about respect, sovereignty, and standing ground, and India has made it clear. It will not be bullied into compliance, not by tariffs, not by threats, and certainly not by insecure politics masquerading as foreign policy. Stay tuned to the Global Eye for more updates and insights.